see the auspicious beginning of this 64th Vimal Filmfare Awards has begun. May I request all of you to please take your seats.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Yes. Where is that cute teddy bear? There he is. एक बार जितेश पिल्ले के लिए आवाज करो पब्लिक. Yeah. Woohoo!
अपना टाइम आएगा, उठ जा अपनी राख से, तू उड़ जा तलाश में, परवाज देख परवाज. सर ऐसे नहीं सर, जितेश पिल्ले को भी यहाँ होना चाहिए हमारे साथ. फिल्म फेयर के करता धरता कहाँ है? हाय हाय हाय, कितना सेक्सी लग रहा है. ओहो, ब्लैक वेलवेट. ओह, ऐसे ब्लैक वेलवेट केक लग रहा है, ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक लग रहा है. खा जाऊं मैं इस पेस्ट्री को. Jitesh is one of my favorite people in the world. Just want to establish that at the outset.
So good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Do you see how cute he looks when he blushes? Sorry, Khyati, it's all you, babe. मेरे हाथ में mic आ जाता है ना फिर.
No, but we love that you take it off. Thank you, Ranveer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, we would like to welcome all of you to the 64th Vimal Filmfare Awards 2019 press conference. Can we begin with a huge round of applause? Yes. Now, Filmfare is the country's leading entertainment magazine, a part of Worldwide Media, a Times Group company. Other titles such as Femina, Hello, Grazia, Top Gear, Good Homes, Lonely Planet, and Home and Design Trends are also part of this family. Filmfare Awards is one of India's oldest and most distinguished film institutions and has spanned generations of exceptional talent. From a small ceremony which featured just 5 awards, the Filmfare Awards function has evolved into one of India's most spectacular events. And this year, we are very happy to associate for the very first time with Vimal. For years, Vimal, with their unique quality offerings, have made a special place in people's heart as a robust brand across the country. And they wish to continue raising the bar every day. Vimal is committed in the society by supporting communities with Vimal Foundation, an NGO working towards people's well-being. We are so delighted to have you on board with us. This year, our exclusive TV partner is Colors. Viacom 18 Media Private Limited is one of India's fastest growing entertainment networks and a house of iconic brands that offers multi-platform, multi-generational and multicultural brand experiences. Viacom 18 defines entertainment in India by touching the lives of people through its properties on air, online, on ground, in shop, and through cinema. May I now request Mr. Deepak Lamba to share a few words with us.
Hi, good evening, everybody, and thank you for taking the time to be here today. I'm going to keep this short because I'm pretty sure you don't want to listen to me, you want to listen to the guy next to me. But just wanted to say, we are once again, I think for the 64th time, back with our Filmfare Awards. Over the years, as you've noticed, we've tried to make it from it just being a TV show to actually being a live entertainment spectacle. You've seen that, which is why all of our acts have been performing live over the last 2-3 years. In an effort to continue to make it grander, we obviously try and get the best in the entertainment industry to be a part of the show and to perform. It gives me, therefore, great joy to... Ranveer is now very much a part of the Filmfare family. He did an amazing job performing last year at Filmfare, and it's our pleasure to actually have him as our showstopper for the awards this year. And he's going to be headlining the event. We're very excited to see what he pulls off, and I can only imagine that it'll be in his true Ranveer style, and we can't wait to see what you're going to be doing. I'd also like to extend a very warm welcome to Vimal, who's come on board as our title partner for the first time, and we look forward to having a very fruitful association with you. Also like to thank Nina and Colors for extending us the support. Broadcast partners are very, very important, but Colors has always tried to make sure that they go above and beyond the call when it comes to ensuring that this award gets prominent place. A couple of other mentions. I think we're also excited that we're going to be renewing our partnership with Facebook and Twitter. For those of you who may not know, last year, for example, during the awards, the show trended live globally, which is a matter of great pride for us. And I think the partnership with Twitter and Facebook will ensure that the awards reach out to a much, much larger audience. For those of you who have questions about nominations, we're not going to be talking about nominations now, but they will be available on our website by tomorrow evening, so you can please check them out. Without further ado, thank you once again for coming.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. May I request Mr. Jitesh Pillai to kindly share a few words with us?
Shouldn't I have the last word? So, quickly, I have to say, I feel like a proud parent whenever I meet Ranveer Singh, because not because I'm much younger to him, but he won the debut award some seven years ago, and he completely stormed the scene and stole our hearts. And it's been a very, very special association. Filmfare has always celebrated excellence, and Ranveer is part of that excellence. And I have seen his personal growth from his little MI number in Band Baja Barat to his absolutely smashing. I have no words to talk about his performance in Gully Boy, which is the latest release, and I have seen like a complete phenomenal growth of an actor. And you know, it's like waves lapping a seashore. Sometimes there are actors who act, and there's Ranveer Singh who's completely transforms himself into some other beast altogether, whether it's physically, whether it's emotionally. So I have been extremely privileged to see him perform. This is my 20th year at Filmfare, so you're allowed to clap for me. And,
Wow.
तू रुलाएगा पगले, रुलाएगा तू मुझे.
and
एक तो लांबा जी आप कबाब में हड्डी क्यों बन रहे? I want to sit next to this teddy bear.
so
Can I also may I also say something about you, Jitesh? I have nothing to say, but this is one of my favorite people that I have had the privilege of knowing since the beginning of my career. After I entered the entertainment business, I have rarely ever met somebody who is so warm, so kind, so genuine, and so real. मतलब अच्छा है तो जितेश आपको फ्रैंकली बताएगा भाई अच्छा किया, खराब किया, कोई गलती की वो भी बता देगा. So when he says proud parent, he really means it. He is like you know, I don't know, father figure or big brother figure, or he's like he has माँ की ममता in him for me. And
this is about Filmfare also. FYI.
oh, I thought आपने ऐसे ही बुलाया था. हम तो चले आए. Jits, are we gonna have a cracker of a show?
Yeah,
I have a feeling we're gonna have a cracker of a show. Madam, mass entertainment. I am your man. We are going to have a cracker of a show. Sir, देखना आप एकदम proud हो जाओगे. I'm very, very excited to be performing at the Filmfare Awards. I met the amazing Shamak Dawar just a couple of days ago, and we had a very long and extensive meeting about putting up this amazing spectacle. And I met Mr. Bhansali today, and he also asked me, what are you performing, and are you going to perform Khalli Balli? And I said, yes, sir. He's like, that means, you better do a good job. So yeah, I'm very excited for my performance. I love performing live, and I am very, very, very charged up about this year's Filmfare Awards. And yeah, I've got something quite exciting in store. Madam, you will love it.
So very proud to be
अजय
associated.
देवगन ने बोल दिया.
हाँ, तो सबने
बस,
बोल दिया,
बात
भाई ने बोल दिया,
खत्म.
सबने बोल दिया.
Singham.
So it's an outstanding opportunity for the brand. I'm sure this is a great connect with the audience, and the kind of product Filmfare is and the kind of product Vimal is. It's going to be very messy, and it's going to be very, very popular and hit. I'm sure this is going to be a fantastic relationship for years. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. We are very happy to be associated with you. May I now request Mrs. Neena Jaipuria, Head Hindi Mass Entertainment and Kids TV Network, Viacom 18, to say a few words, please, ma'am.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A lot has already been said, and it's really hard to beat the energy on this dais, but we'll try. We at Colors are really delighted to partner with the 64th Filmfare Awards, and we are really looking forward to welcome back the Black Lady into the Colors family for second year in a row. And having said that, yes, we will do absolute justice, mass entertainment it is. We will take it to millions out there. Colors, we continuously strive to give best of entertainment to our viewers, and therefore mix of television and as well as Bollywood. And I think Filmfare epitomizes that completely. It's an award that has a gold standard of its own. And of course, so we are really very honored to host this show on our platform, and it'll do all of us wonders, the viewers wonders as well. And particularly this year, like Sir has already said, we are very, very happy thanks to Padmavat being our own film, and Khilji, of course, performing on Colors at Viacom 18 at Filmfare. So we're really looking forward to a very, very spectacular event and award show. So all the best on air and off air.
Thank you so much. ma'am.
ऐतिहासिक फिल्म, ऐतिहासिक अवार्ड शो, ऐतिहासिक मास एंटरटेनमेंट वाला चैनल कलर्स कलर्स कलर्स। राजनायक साहब को मेरा सलाम देना 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 देना।
With this, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be opening the, of course, ground for Q&A, but we'll respect that if you keep the questions to Filmfare, movies, and Ranveer Singh. Yes? So here we open the ground for Q&A.
I'm also the moderator of the session. So,
Yes.
and we are running
How are you a moderator? I'd like to know. You're an extremist. How are you moderate?
because
By any?
I thought you had a flight to catch and you were doing
I've
120
got
things.
nothing to do.
Okay.
Jitesh, I'm
Wow.
all yours.
So, Ranveer, while he may say that, is running awfully short of time. So, I would please request you to keep your questions to Filmfare. Any uneasy questions, I will take the liberty of cutting you short and
Okay.
saying no asking questions. So, may I also seize the opportunity to ask you the first question?
Ji haan, sir.
So, please tell me your first waking Filmfare moment.
I think my most memorable moment, Filmfare moment, there are a couple. When I first saw my first cover, I mean, that was huge for me because Filmfare has a legacy, Filmfare has a history. Filmfare, like ma'am very rightly said, is the gold standard. And so, you know, it's a dream to be on the cover of Filmfare. It's been graced by, I mean, titans of show business. And, you know, to be there. And I remember so clearly we shot, you know, at Le Meridian with Abhay Singh. And I was just like, I was like, damn excited. And when the cover came out, you know, to read that tagline, which I remember ever so vividly, it was a trip. It was a trip. I could hardly believe it. It was like a dream come true. You remember it? I can't say it myself. Singh is king. So, Ranveer Singh takes the industry by storm. Byline, boom, man, that's a dream come true. I mean, first film, received so much love. I made it to the cover. I won the debut award. And then I won, and then this, which brings me to my other most memorable moment, was winning Best Actor for Bajirao Mastani, for Peshwa Bajirao. I mean, that was just a magical night. Deepika, my wife, had won the same night for Piku. So to win with her in the same year was very, very special for me. Special for our whole family, who was seated there. My mom, my sister, my dad, her folks, her sister, they were all present. It was unforgettable. And then Rekha ji handed me the award. And you know who was sitting in the first row? Was the man who I wanted to be growing up. Amitabh Bachchan was sitting there while I received Best Actor. I mean, I could not ask for more. It was just an absolutely unforgettable moment. And yeah, it's etched in my mind and in my heart forever and ever. And yeah, it's always exciting to collaborate with Filmfare because of this cinephile I got a lot of love and appreciation for Jitesh because here is a man who truly loves cinema, and that someone like me appreciates to a vast degree. So Jitesh, let me say it publicly. I appreciate you. I appreciate you and your love for cinema, your passion for cinema.
Okay, moving on. One more question. Please tell me what kind of manic energy, what are you on when you do your fantastic performances like the Bappida tribute you paid last year?
I don't know what it is about performing live. It's electric. The audience is right there and you're performing for them. You're putting up a show, putting up a spectacle. And if in your heart I believe my calling is to be an entertainer, to be a showman. And there's nothing more palpable than the energy of a live performance because your audience is right there. And if you want to evoke a reaction out of them or an emotion in them, it's there. The energy is it's in that space, So live is another trip altogether. I don't know what happens to me. I really, once I'm on stage and there's an audience, it's like I go into some kind of trance. And you're never more in the moment than during a live performance. So that's what I love about it.
It's probably an unfair question to ask you, but which is your favorite performance of yours?
Of mine?
You have to pick up.
I don't know. Audience, my बाप audience की राय लेते हैं. आप बताओ, what is my best performance? Madam, आप, any preferences? None. She doesn't like me as an actor. I'm sorry? I like you in Gully Boy. Nice. Thank you, ma'am. Multiplex audience, sir.
I second that, huh? I second that.
Really? Yeah. Khilji. My wife also loves Khilji. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, all even, yaar, for me, all my performances are special, right? Because फिल्में चलती है नहीं चलती है, some are liked, some are not liked, some are loved, some are hated, but you as a performer do your best and you do it with all honesty and 100%. So if you ask me, my performance in Kill Dil is also special to me. So yeah, it's just I could not choose between any performance. I'm just happy to have an opportunity to be a performer. I mean, I'm grew up wanting to be an actor, Hindi film hero, and here I am, sitting on the dais with Jitesh Pillai, headlining the Filmfare Awards. क्या time है, अपना time आएगा. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a good show.
So we'll quickly take 2 more questions on Filmfare, hopefully.
अपना time आएगा.
Quick.
तू नंगा ही तो.
Few,
ओहो,
but very quickly.
देखो किसका हाथ ऊपर गया सबसे पहले, सबसे बदमाश मस्तीखोर. पूछिए सर, पूछिए.
रणवीर जी, सबसे पहले तो आपको गली बॉय की ढेरों सारी बधाइयाँ.
Thank you,
फिल्म
sir.
अभी भी चल रही है और अभी
Thank
भी
you, sir.
हर किसी की जुबान पर अपना टाइम आएगा.
ये बा.
हाँ, रणवीर जी, सवाल ये है कि जैसा कि आपने मिस्टर बच्चन की बात की, अभी
जी हाँ.
हाल ही में जब उन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू में बताया कि जब उन्हें बदला फिल्म में एक टाइटल ट्रैक करना था,
हाँ जी.
तो उन्होंने बताया कि सिंगिंग की दुनिया का उन्हें ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है, लेकिन उन्होंने आपको गाते हुए देखा गली बॉय में, और तो उन्होंने आपके कुछ फुट स्टेप आपको फॉलो किया और थोड़ा बहुत उन्होंने बदला में करने की कोशिश की. तो जब मिस्टर बच्चन आपके बारे में इस तरह से बोलते हैं, आपकी एक्टिंग को अप्रिसिएट करते हैं, तो एज एन एक्टर, एज एन ह्यूमन बीइंग क्या कुछ फील करते हैं आप?
यार मैं क्या बोलूँ, जब से उन्होंने ये बात बोली है, पहले तो मेरे फैंस बहुत ही एक्साइटेड होके मुझे वो क्लिपिंग्स भेज रहे हैं सोशल मीडिया पे. देखो बच्चन साहब ने आपके बारे में क्या बोला, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि मैं ये देख के कितना एक्साइटेड हो जाऊँगा. और वाकई में मैं हुआ. वो सबसे बड़े महानायक हैं और उनका सबसे बड़ा दिल है, इसलिए उन्होंने ऐसे बोला. लेकिन फैक्ट तो ये है कि यार, अभी I'll paint a picture for you. Imagine a kid sitting on the floor watching a TV screen and there's just मतलब मैं बच्चन साहब को बचपन से देखते आ रहा हूँ और मेरा सपना था, मेरी दादी कहती थी तुझे बड़ा होके अमिताभ बच्चन बनना है, और मैं कितने भी जन्म ले लूँ मैं उनका तिनका भी नहीं होने वाला हूँ. लेकिन वो उनका बड़प्पन है, उन्होंने बोल दिया. फैक्ट तो ये है कि हम जो भी करते हैं उन्होंने बहुत साल पहले कर लिया था, उन्होंने सबसे पहले रैप कर लिया था। यार उनके जैसा कोई है नहीं, उनसे ज़्यादा महान कोई है नहीं। ये जो एक मिलेनियल टर्म निकला है ना, गोट, मैं मानता हूँ ही इज़ गोट, ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम। और every time you could say in a way, because the man is a large part of the reason I ever wanted to become a performer, become an actor. So in a way you can say every time I go out and perform, it's a tribute or a homage to Amitabh Bachchan.
एंड रणवीर जी, दूसरा सवाल ये है मेरा कि हाल ही में दीपिका जी ने भी आपके बारे में एक इंटरव्यू में, मतलब फिल्म फेयर का ही अवार्ड था,
क्या कहा उन्होंने?
उन्होंने ये कहा कि शादी के बाद कुछ एक प्रतिबंध आपके ऊपर लगा दिया, जैसे
हाँ
कि
जी।
घर से निकलना है तो खाना खा के जाना है, ये
हाँ
कंपलसरी
जी।
होगा, और आप कहीं भी कुछ भी शूट कर रहे हैं तो आपको उनका फोन उठाना जरूरी है।
हाँ जी,
तो
मैं तो
आप-
शॉट के बीच में फेस टाइम उठा देता
तो मतलब
वीडियो कॉल।
और क्या क्या उन्होंने कुछ प्रतिबंध और क्या क्या लगाए हैं, और अगर आप मुझे कुछ हमें बता सकें अगर आप
कितने प्यारे
कितना-
प्रतिबंध हैं उनके।
And आप कितना फॉलो कर पाते हैं इन सारी चीजों को?
मैं बंद गया हूँ गृहस्थी में। मैं तो मतलब टाइम से उठना, टाइम पे खाना खाना, टाइम पे काम पे पहुंचना, टाइम पे घर जाना, टाइम पे सोना। आह क्या सुधर गया है लड़का, क्या सुधर गया है। और मैं कहता हूं तू सुधार, मुझे तू सुधार, लगा तू प्रतिबंध पे प्रतिबंध। सब द बेस्ट थिंग दैट एवर हैपेंड टू मी भाई, ऑनेस्टली। घर आई लक्ष्मी, है कि नहीं? जय झूलेलाल।
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you,
you. Go ahead, go ahead.
सर मेरा सवाल आपसे है, जितेश सर, डू यू नॉट थिंक फोटो जर्नलिस्ट शुड बी रिवॉर्डेड इन फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड? दे वर्क डे एंड नाइट लाइक women जर्नलिस्ट, फोटो जर्नलिस्ट. डू यू नॉट थिंक दिस category should be there?
So I think Filmfare Award is largely acting awards, and journalism is is a different field, and there are far other forums which award journalists. So I don't.
I'm talking about photo journalists.
Even photojournalism hard. It's not about acting. The Filmfare is the acting award. You give awards for acting. If I were to give a photojournalist, I'd probably give myself an award then, because I think I've taken some damn good photos as a rookie reporter. So I don't think this is actually the podium to take award photojournalists. Filmfare Awards, Bollywood.
No more
एक बात
questions?
बताओ सर, आप बाल कटाने मैकेनिक के पास जाते हैं? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट।
Do we have a
कोई
question?
है जी? देखो सब चाहते हैं सुमित जी ही सवाल करें। अरे सुमित जी आइए।
गुड इवनिंग रणवीर.
पूछ लो सर, क्यों इतना फुटेज खा रहे हो? लोगों को घर जाना है, खाना खाना है यार, डिनर टाइम हो गया, पूछो ना।
कोई इंतजार कर रहा है?
मेरा तो हो रहा है, आपका नहीं पता।
रणवीर, being part of the film industry,
जी हाँ।
and man who has established himself, आपको क्या लगता है what's your responsibility as an actor and as a citizen of India now?
What is my responsibility? Look, I believe my calling in life is to be an entertainer. So I believe that the best thing I can do with myself is fulfill what I believe is my purpose in life, and that is to do my best to entertain people. When it comes to being a responsible citizen, I think I am. And yeah, I met the Prime Minister recently, and we had a very pleasant meeting. We apprised him what we as young members of the film fraternity are doing. And he had something to say to us, which was that if possible, we should choose content that has in it a message of inclusive India and unity. And I was very happy to report to him that my very next film, the one that I am going to shoot next, 83, is one such film, you know, where it is truly Team India. You know, you have gentlemen from all across the country coming together to make the nation proud. a really extraordinary underdog story that I'm very, very happy and proud to be a part of. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ranveer. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, ma'am. And with this, we close
Yeah,
the Q&A. And yes, thank you very much. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, ma'am. We'll take a quick photo